Bahrain is one of the most underrated business destinations in the GCC. While everyone is focused on Dubai and Saudi Arabia, smart entrepreneurs are choosing Bahrain for low costs, similar compliance, and zero withholding tax. At our firm, we help entrepreneurs and companies set up fully compliant businesses in Bahrain from structure planning to activation. Let me talk you through how the process actually works. Why Bahrain and key advantages. Bahrain allows 100% foreign ownership for most business activities. There is no withholding tax on dividends, royalties, or interest, making it ideal for international and holding structures. VAT is only 10%, and many service-based businesses can benefit from zero-rated or exempt supplies depending on how they operate. On top of that, office costs, staffing, and compliance expenses are significantly lower compared to many GCC countries. How we set up your company in Bahrain. Our process starts with trade name reservation and activity selection. This is one of the most important steps. If activities and documents don't align, the authorities will not issue an active commercial registration. Once approvals are in place, an initial inactive CR is issued. When then arrange the required physical presence either through a dedicated office or an approved incubator depending on your business model. Next, we handle the memorandum of association, drafting and signing. Physical presence is preferred, but in many cases we also finish the process using an authorization letter or power of attorney, saving your time and travel. After that, we assist with corporate bank account opening and guide you through the share capital deposit process. Once proof is submitted and verified, your active commercial CR is issued. Next is visa and business operation. After your CR is activated, we support you with businessman visas or employee visas, allowing you to legally operate and grow your business in Bahrain. Bahrain may not be loud, but it is smart. If you're looking for compliant, cost-effective, GCC based with strong regional access, we are here to make your Bahrain setup simple and secure. Thank you.